Are you a taxi driver or an Uber driver? Soon, you might need to find a new job. Artificial intelligence is coming for your seat, and it's not playing games. Autonomous vehicles, smart navigation systems, and fully self-driving cars are no longer science fiction. They're a rapidly approaching reality. How many times have you driven a passenger and thought, there must be a more efficient way to do this? Well, companies have already figured it out for you. Autonomous cars that don't get tired, don't complain, don't run late, and don't ask for time off are hitting the streets. They're already being tested and will soon flood major cities around the world. For instance, Elon Musk has unveiled the Tesla Cybercab, a fully autonomous robo-taxi with no steering wheel or pedals, slated for production by 2027. At the same time, Waymo, a subsidiary of Google, has announced plans to roll out its robo-taxi service in cities like Miami, with full operations expected by 2026. But don't just see this as a threat, see it as a challenge. What will your role be in this new era? Maybe it's time to adapt, to become a driver for a fleet of AI-powered vehicles, or to invest in technologies that will keep you ahead of the game. Change is inevitable, and the choice is yours. Will you let artificial intelligence leave you behind, or will you find a way to work alongside it? The future is here, and the road is more digital than ever. Follow us for more updates on artificial intelligence. NeuralScope on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.